y'all, today I'm out on the front porch and we are going to be updating the planters, the front porch planters. I'm going to be pulling out some things and keeping some of the original spring plants, adding in some new fresh summer plants that will deal with the heat. So I'm excited to show you all that. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and make sure you drop me a comment below. Does your area handle container gardening well during the heat of the summer? I have to have mine set up to drip because I'm terrible about remembering to actually water things. But if I did not have them to drip, there's no way I could grow in the heat of Texas summer. Okay, here are the two front planters. I will put up some original of what they originally looked like when I planted them in the spring. You can see that the shamrocks, the purple shamrocks, have done beautifully. And surprisingly, the cabbage, the ornamental cabbage, has done great. So let me walk on over there and get a closer look. Okay, so the petunia is struggling. The flowers that are coming out are really small now compared to how they typically are. I don't know if I'm going to remove that or just trim that back. The stalk is all done right now, so I'm going to pull that up, and I might go plant it in one of my raised planters in the back and see if I can't keep it alive until the fall and get another round of blooms. And then I have the shamrocks, which have just done absolutely gorgeous, wonderful and beautiful. And then we do have the ornamental cabbage, which has actually gotten eaten up pretty good. So I am going to be pulling that out. There originally was some yellow, oh, here they are, some yellow violas, and they've all died and gone at this point. So let's start by cleaning out the planter and then taking a look at what we can replace things with. Okay, so I decided to remove everything except for the purple shamrocks. So we're going to keep those. So you can see there's still a lot of space in the pot. So let's look at what I have to go in. So I did pick up two angelonias. They kind of have like this mauvey rose tone. It's an annual in my area. This one's called Alonia Big Dark Pink. Angelonia does, it can take sun to part sun, great pollinator. I also have two of the Proven Winners Diamond Frost, and I planted them in my planters last year and they went bonkers. They were absolutely glorious. So these will be a big, like, not thriller, but a spiller. So these will spill over the edge. Absolutely beautiful. And then also kind of a fun random plant that my friend Kristen picked up for me is a Philotus, Joey Improved. You guys know I'm going to butcher all the names because that's who I am. And so we're going to put that in there as well. But check out these all together and then having it with the purple shamrocks. I think that'll be really, really good. I'm going to start by charging all of it with Plant Tone. as a fertilizer, and then let's get these planted. Okay, I like the freshen up. I think it's fun that I was able to keep some of the plants from the spring. So I've got the purple shamrock. I ended up tucking in some sedum. I just had a container of sedum, no name on it. I divided it in half and put half here and half in the other. And this is the, I'll just call it the Joey, a plant that's new to me this year. It's kind of like a bottle brush feel. And then I've got the dark pink Angelonia. And then over here, I've got the Diamond Frost Euphorbia, which will go in like a massive waterfall over the side. And I did all the same over here as well. So super fun. Let me go around so you guys can see it from the front. There we go. They look super pretty. I think they're gonna be really fun. They look great now, but of course, as they continue to fill out, they're gonna look better and better and better. So, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video working on the planters on the front porch. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.